Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you all are doing good. So today we are going to do subtraction sums, okay? So you know subtraction means to take away or to subtract something, okay? Subtraction, what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction, let us see some fact behind the subtraction. So when the number is subtracted from itself, जब number same number को हम subtract करते हैं, the difference is always zero. Okay, the second fact is when zero is subtract from the number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, now see the example of the first one. Whenever we will subtract the same number, so the difference is always zero. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0. Whenever we will subtract with 0, so the same number will come itself. Okay, 96 minus 0 is 96. Okay, now let us solve some subtraction sum. So our first sum is we are going to write in columns and then subtract. So 2134 we are going to subtract with 6474. We are going to write this number at the top and you will subtract this from this number, okay? So we will write ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then you will write this number because you are going to subtract number from this. Okay, so 4 will come in ones place, 7 will come in tens place, 4 will come in hundreds place, 6 will come in thousands place. Similarly, then in the next number, this number, you are going to write 4 in the ones place. You will write the digits below the digits. Okay, 3 will come in tens place, 1 will come in hundreds place, and 2 will come in thousands place. Now you will subtract first ones place. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Now you will subtract this tens place. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then you will subtract the hundred place. 4 minus 1 is 5. Sorry, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, let's see the next one. So the next sum is 9670. You are going to subtract 3699. Okay, so you will again write ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then you will arrange this number. So 0 will come in ones place, 7, then 6, then 9. Then this number you are going to subtract. So you will write this number down. So 9, 9, 6 and 3. So here you can't subtract 0 from 9. So what you will do, you will borrow 1 from this. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So you have borrow 1 from this. So this become 6. So 16 you have to borrow this because you can't mind 6 minus 9 is not possible. So you are going to borrow 1 from this. So it will become 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Then you have given 1 to this, so it is 5. So 5 minus 6 is not possible. So you will again borrow 1 from this 9. So it will be 9 here. And here 8 minus 3 is 5. So your answer is 5971. Okay. Now the next exercise is, we are going to do exercise 3.3. Estimate the answer by rounding off the number. You are going to round off the number and find the actual difference also. So first of all, let me show you sums. So you are going to write this number 45 minus 23. So first of all, you will do 45, you will round it up. So 45 rounds up to 50. Okay, now 23 rounds down to 20. This we have all done, that when we have to do rounded up and when we have to do rounded down. Okay, so now to find the estimated difference, you are going to subtract this both. To find the actual difference, you will subtract this side. Okay, so the estimated difference is 30 and the round off difference is 22. Okay, so you will write the answer line also, that the actual difference of 45 and 23 is 22, while the estimated difference is 30. So the actual difference is 22 and the estimated difference is 30. Let us do one more example of this. So the next sum is 83 minus 17. So 83 you will round it down because 3 is less than 4, so you will round down. Fine. So it will be 80, and the next one 17. So 17 you will round it up. Okay, so it will be 20. So to find the estimated difference, we are going to subtract this both. So your answer is 60 here, and the actual answer is 66. You will write the answer line that the actual difference between 83 and 17 is 66, while their estimate difference is 60. So 66 is your actual difference and 60 is your estimated difference. Okay, thank you so much.